In this video, I am going to show you how to share your YouTube TV free trial with your family. YouTube TV allows you to create up to 6 individual user profiles under one account, making it easy to share the service with family members during the free trial. Start by signing up for the free trial on the YouTube TV website or app using your primary account. Once your account is set up, go to the Settings menu and select Add Family Member. You can then create separate profiles for each family member, allowing them to have their own personalized recommendations, watch history, and DVR library. Each profile can stream simultaneously on different devices, with a maximum of 3 streams at once. To access the service, family members simply need to log in to the YouTube TV app on their device, using the shared account credentials, and switch to their individual profile. This way, everyone gets to enjoy their favorite shows and live events without interfering with each other's preferences. Just remember to cancel the subscription before the trial ends if you don't want to be charged. If this video helped you share your YouTube TV free trial with your family, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.